Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the subject of Pure Mathematics 3 is Logarithm and Exponential Functions, and the subtopic is use of the logarithm to transform a given relationship to linear form. So here are some concepts. Concentrate yourself. The linear form is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. We can make use of the logarithm to reduce a nonlinear equation to linear form. So here is a question. Concentrate now. The relationship between the variables x and y is equal to ax raised to the power k, where a and k are constants. 5 pairs of the values of x and y are given in the following table. By plotting a graph of log of y against log of x, estimate the values of a and k. And here are 5 pairs of the values are given. So the method in these kind of the question is like we have to take the log of this thing. So look now, first we will take the log of both sides. So log of y, so here is the solution. So log of y will be equal to log of ax raised to the power k. So because these two values are multiplying, so their log will be added. So log of a plus log of x raised to the power k. And next step will be log of a. This k will come before the log and log of x will remain as it is. So we will put this value equal to y. So look now, capital Y. This log of this value will be okay. First write the values as it is and just replace the values. So look now, log of y is equal to, I'm just changing the places. This value will be written first. So k log of x and plus log of a. So look now, this value will be called capital Y. This is m, this is x, and this is c. So we have let these values, so this is the form now. So it means capital Y is equal to log of y, m is equal to k, okay, capital X is equal to log of x, and c is equal to log of a. Okay, at this step we have to take the values of log of x and log of y. So look now. Okay, look now, we are going to make the table of log of x and log of y. So because x is equal to log of x and y is equal to log of y. So look now, x is equal to log of x and y is equal to log of y. So we are going to make some values. So first will be log of 3. So because x is 3, so log of 3. So log of 3. The answer is 0.48. We are writing the values up to 2 decimal places. Okay. Next is log of 5. So 0.70. The next is log of 10. This is 1. The next is log of 15. This is 1.18. The next is log of 20. This is 1.30. So accordingly, log of y's values will be taken now. So log of 900 will be equal to 2.95. Next is log of 2000. This is 3.30. Next is log of 5000. This is 3.70. Next is log of 9000. This is 3.95. And the last one is log of 16,000. This will be 4.20. So we have now a table of values of log of x and log of y. So now we will plot these values of log of x and log of y on the graph paper. So now we will plot these values of log of x and log of y on a sheet of graph paper. So come now. So look now, here is the graph of the log of x and log of y. And if you can see, this is the point at which the graph is cutting the y-axis, that is 2.25. So y-intercept is 2.25. That will help us to find the value of c. And to find the value of m, we have to take 2 points on the line. So one point will be the same, that is 0 and 2.25. And another point can be taken on this line. So with the help of these 2 points, we will find the value of m. So come now, again, we will solve the rest of the question on the board. So because the graph was cutting the y-axis at the 2.25 mark, so it means c is equal to 2.25. But c is equal to log of a. So it means log of a is equal to 2.25. So at this step, take the antilog of both sides. So on left hand side, you will have a, and shift log of 2.25 will give us 177.83. So this is the value of a. The 2 points taken on the graph was 0 and 2.25, and the second point was 0.7 and 3.3. So these 2 points were taken from the graph, which was made by the log of x and log of y. So using these values, we will find the value of m. So look now, y2 minus y1, 3.3 minus 2.23 divided by x2 minus x1. So 0.7 minus 0. So 3.3 minus 2.23, 2.23 is equal to 1.07. 0.7 minus 0 will remain as it is. So 0.7 dividing these two values will give us answer 1.53. So m is 1.53. 0.53. And you can see from here m is equal to k. So it means the value of k is 1.53. So these are the values, these are the answers of the question. Here is another question. The relationship between the variables x and y is a raised to power y is equal to b c raised to power x, where a, b, c are constants. Use logarithm to express y in terms of x. Okay. We will take the natural log of both sides. So the solution is natural log of a raised to the power y is equal to natural log of bc raised to the power x. So the next step will be, because two values are multiplying, so their logs will be added. So log of b plus natural log of c raised to power x. Okay, this y which is in par will come before the log. So y natural log of a. Divide both sides with natural log of a. So y will be equal to natural log of b over natural log of a, plus this x will come before the natural log. So natural log of c over natural log of a. Okay, at this step, another rule is if natural logs are given in numerator and denominator, so the method to write is the upper value will become the value and the denominator value will become the base of log. The same thing will be applied here. So x will remain as it is, and here will log, numerator will become the value and denominator will become the base. And on the right hand side we have y. Here is another question. The question is e raised to power x minus 3 mod is equal to 1. Solve it. So whenever this kind of the question comes, when mod comes, so first let or put anything equal to e raised to power x. So now y minus 3 mod will become equal to 1. You have to take the square of both sides at this step. So y minus 3 whole square will be equal to 1, because 1 square is 1. So at this step, take the square root of both sides. So this is the method, students. Whenever you have to remove the mods, you have to take the squares of both sides. So at this step, y minus 3 will be equal to plus minus 1. So we have taken the square root on both sides. So one time it will take equal to positive value, and second time the negative value. So from here y is equal to 4, and from here y is equal to 2. So replacing the values, because y is equal to e raised to power x, so we are replacing the values. So e raised to power x is equal to 4 and e raised to power x is equal to 2. Take natural log of both sides, so x will be equal to natural log of 4, and from here x will be equal to natural log of 2. So use the calculator now. Natural log of 4 is equal to 1.39. So this is the first answer, and here natural log of 2, this is equal to 0.69. So these are the answers.